So this is the viewing deck of the observatory in Mandaluyong City by Federal Land, located along Pioneer Street. So observatory is a mixed-use Japanese-inspired development right at the heart of the NCR. So Mandaluyong, gitna siya ng NCR, no? Malapit sa BGC rin, Ortigas, and Makati. So landmark, katabi ng Axis Residences by Robinsons and Federal Land as well. Robinson Cybergate over there. EDSA, doon na siya. Then ayun na yung Guadalupe Bridge, no? So dyan po itatayo si Sora Towers at ang iba pang development ni the observatory. 4.5 hectares, ganun siya kalaki. Magkakaroon ng mall, offices, and residential condos in the area. So another landmark, Sunshine 100 condos, at saka si Sheridan with DMCI over there. Diba? Imagine waking up, ang view mo is the BGC skyline, no? Wow! Hindi lang kita rito, pero below there is the Pasig River. So be a first mover here at the observatory by Federal Land and Yumura Real Estate in Mandaluyong City. Inquire now.